These facts sound fake, but they are 100% real. There are places on Earth where sound completely disappears, like parts of the Nevada desert, where silence feels unreal. Your brain edits what you see in real time. You may have already seen most of the people who will change your life forever. Time doesn't move the same for everyone. It actually changes depending on where you are. And the strangest part? Your brain makes all of this feel completely normal.